a little holder.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm here with Nancy today, who had just had her floors done by Express Flooring. How you doing today, Nancy?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Good. So tell me, how was your experience with your design consultant who came into your home?
Oh, she was a sweetheart.
Oh, great.
Oh, we had a great time.
Did she help you with the color choices that you had picked for this?
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
But we had kind of specific ideas that we wanted.
Oh, great.
But yeah, we...
I love the color choices that you have picked. That absolutely looks just really, really nice with your household, that you've just the different colors.
In it.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. And then how were your installers who came into your home?
Oh, they were fabulous too. They did a great job.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, that's super nice.
Yes. And I gave them some water because we turned the heat down lower so they'd be cold. And they said, oh no, we need it hot because the carpet moves easy or something.
Oh,
So,
great.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
and then
then,
how was your overall experience with Express Flooring?
Oh, fabulous. I'd do it over again.
Oh, really?
If I have to, yeah.
Oh, it just
They look great.
I love the way the seams look on your floors. It's just absolutely so
Oh, I
divine
love
looking.
the way
Yeah.
they did the man called it bullnose.
Yes.
And my consultant, I think her name was Laura, she called it Hollywood style.
Yes, the Hollywood style. I absolutely love
like it a
that.
lot.
Yeah.
Because the other one was just...
Yeah,
couldn't
so I
tell.
love the creases inside of it and everything.
Doesn't
Yeah.
it look nice?
It looks just divine. And then, how was your overall experience then? Would you refer your friends and family as well?
Yes, I would.
Oh, thank
would.
you. Well, thank you
Definitely.
so much, Nancy, for taking your time with me. And I'm glad that you had a great Mother's Day too as well.
Oh, you're welcome. Do you want to check anything upstairs?
Oh, no, I think we'll be fine. I
Oh,
appreciate
good.
all your time. Thank
Oh,
you. All right, bye-bye.